AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, what's going on? So right now it's Monday. A customer called us yesterday saying that they need their lawn refreshed, cleaned up because they're gonna sell it, and they need pictures taken for Thursday. So it rained yesterday. The grass may still be wet, but I'm gonna go by there and at least string trim it and edge it. If right now the sun's getting ready to go down. If it's just still light out, I'm gonna go and mow it. If I don't have time to mow it, I'll just finish it off tomorrow. So hey, I'll see you at the house. So I just got done. It's on 1749 right now. So it just got dark right now. So that was $230, y'all. So when I quoted them, it was $80 for full service lawn care. That's front and back, and which includes mowing, string trimming, and edging. But because of high growth on the edging, that was an extra $100, and high growth on the string trimming along the house and the fence, that was extra $50. So that's how I quoted y'all. It was $230. I still got to mow, but the grass was real mushy and wet. So I went ahead, all those pop-ups you saw, that's all it was, y'all, that was growing from the grass. So I went ahead and string trimmed it. I am going to do my due justice and bring the mower out probably tomorrow or in 2 days when the grass is more dry, because I did quote them for mowing. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. That's fair, y'all. Okay, but if when I come back, if it's still like kind of like soft, I'm just gonna avoid it. I'm gonna just do more string trimming, touch it up more. And Thursday when they come do the pictures, I'll come by and ask the person taking the pictures if they need me to touch up anything. So I'm gonna go and give them their money's worth on the quote that I quoted them, and they already paid. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure they have good service. Okay, so other than that, y'all, it didn't take me like about an hour. All right, you know what I mean, to make $230. Okay, so hey, the work's out there, y'all. They're gonna call you. Hey, get a Google page. Okay, people look up Google, put ad on Facebook. They're always looking on Facebook. All right. So this realtor that called me, that service the yard for, I kept good communication with her. I said, hey, it's raining right now. I'm not gonna be able to service the yard. I'll keep you up to date. We kept them up to date. I built that rapport with the realtor, so maybe she'll give me some more jobs in the future. But usually, like, realtors are real cheap. Like, oh, that's too much. But this realtor was legit. I'm gonna assure that I gave her good service. Okay, and I also took some pictures for her so she could look at. All right. Other than that, y'all, hey, thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.